special drift event. Let me start out with, this is our second time towing out of town with this thing. We did the whole go into Fernley Speedway. I didn't get as much footage of that as I'd like. Maybe I'll cut to a little bit of driving from there. Or maybe I'll cut to a little bit of this parked in front of there, or parked there. So we made it to Fernley Speedway. Anyhow, this thing does pretty well, and yeah, so now we're going to a place that's like almost 2 hours away from our house, and it's private property. We have 100% permission to go there. I don't know if I'm allowed to say where it is. It's top secret. I'm pretty sure it's in Mexico. So anyways, we're going there. Kind of a unique opportunity. There probably won't be a whole lot of content of, you know, my car or pictures of it or whatever, because I mean, I'm going there with a camera. I don't know if anybody else is even doing that, so we'll see. See our buddies, this Mr. Section 8 drifting himself, Tyler Morgan's going to be there. He's the one that gave me the heads up, and he drives the Lexus LS 400 that I ran into once. Had all day yesterday to do a little tune-up on this thing. To update on van vlog, we were coming back from camping last Sunday, and this thing was doing some weird stuff, and pretty confident it was misfiring. So at this point, I learned that, you know, it could be the coil packs, but if you do the coil packs and have bad plugs, you could actually ruin the coil packs. So decided to check out the plugs, because I also learned that the reason these spit out is because like they can be under torqued, which can make them loosen the plug hole, and then they kind of rattle around, and then they destroy the threads and shoot out, and that's what's really the problem. So, you know, kind of a maintenance item to do them. They were fine, but you know, now they're fine again. So seems to run about the same. I haven't really figured out what the actual problem was, but I'm a little hesitant to just throw coil packs at it without knowing that that's the issue, because it wasn't even throwing any codes. Just kind of did step one. I also made sure that there wasn't any water in the plug wells, because that could be a thing too. I thought that maybe that was in there. There was water or coolant in one of those, because that can happen on these apparently, and that was causing the misfire, because it was raining when it was misfiring.
It's raining a lot.
So we thought, well, I mean, it was raining when we thought it was misfiring, raining very heavily, and then as it cleared up, the problem went away and it drove like normal. So yeah, let's hope for good stuff. Good old Vanessa here has been good to us. We've got some more mods and maintenance coming along the way. The bed, by the way, is great. It's so good that I'm going to have to upgrade the bed in my house, because it is that comfortable where I don't think the bed in my house is as comfortable. So that's a good thing. So anyways, enough rambling. We'll cut to some footage at the, I'd say at the track. Cut to some footage in Mexico. My trailer, but this doesn't open far enough for me to get in. So usually if I'm just going to the local track, I leave this down and NASCAR it, but here's what I have to do if I travel with the windows up. It's like Ace Ventura. Kid Bros Racing back. Recap of the event. Let's get her in this thing, Tucker. V10, yeah! Anyways, pretty damn cool event. So, we're stoked. The van's doing great to get back to van vlogging. The back of the van gets a little bit laggy with the trailer, but not super bad. And the leaf spring bushings are a bit doinkered. We're going to get to something on that with another video. But I already have the bushings, I just got to replace them. The hope is that that is the rest of the problem. But other than that, this thing tows really nice. And like, we're passing a motorhome right now, it's no big deal. He probably has a V10 too. Look at that, look at the logo. He's got a V10, yeah! Listen to that V10 howl. Alright, so, thanks for watching. And, you know, you can subscribe or you could not.